All right, so this was day 3 of this program. So today was shoulders, biceps, and triceps. It was fun. Yesterday was legs, and Monday was chest and back. So tomorrow I'll be starting it over again with chest and back, legs, and then shoulders and biceps. Then I'm gonna take a rest day. I'll probably do some cardio or some boxing. Or maybe just take a complete rest day. We'll see how my body feels. It's been a while since I've gone do these bodybuilding workouts. So these things, it's about 5 sets, 20 reps with moderate weight. I try to make sure that I'm close to either failing between like 16 to 18, so that if I do get to 20, it's an absolute struggle, that I'm just not like cruising through it. Focusing on really squeezing the muscles, focus on form, and really just working the target area that I am working on. So no heavy, crazy lifts for a while. Just taking it day by day. I'm gonna go get something else to eat, something nice and boring and probably tasteless, and I will check in with y'all later. Peace.